What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of the old man or the manager in a certain office, and also he's like working, and also you will see the chart or the trading or the progress like this, and also in the bright situation in the office. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be totally transformed or turned into this kind of the wizard, and also he is hanging the magic potion and also casting the spells, and also the background can be totally transformed into the Halloween vibes. How to do that? It is very easy, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I use here to transform this photo was the Nano Banana, and here I'm using it in the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to access this Nano Banana from the Gemini AI, don't worry, because you can also access it there, and you can also do this transform into your favorite AI photo editing, guys. You can go ahead, and here I will also share you the prompt. And the next step is I will click this try Nano Banana, and after that I will start to upload the picture. And again, don't forget to do the login first with your email, guys. And after that I will put the prompt into this section, for example like this, and you can start to screenshot this prompt, and I will also put this prompt into the description box, and you can simply copy it, and you can let us know if this prompt also worked for you. Basically the prompt will be like this: transform the man in the photo into a powerful wizard casting a spell, and also keep his original face and physical feature, but change his pose so he's performing the magic spell, raising one hand slightly while holding a small glass flash in the other. I will show you the output like this. And after that, flash contain a glowing green and purple motion, this one, and from his mouth a glowing green mist like the magic emerge, floating outward with the air with a scattered, let's say you can put the special letter if you like, whether that in Latin or Korean or another letter that you like, let's say Japanese, etc. And here I'm using the Korean letter or character, made it of light with the smoke, and also the setting. This is one of the important thing. The setting should be in his bedroom, but if you would like to change the setting, let's say in the house, living room, or another setting or another place, you can put it into this detail. And also now transform into the dark and spooky Halloween theme room filled with the decoration, let's say the pumpkins, and also cobwebs, and the dim eerie lighting like this. And overall mood should be mysterious, cinematic, and magical with a slightly spooky Halloween atmosphere. So this will be the prompt, and after that you can click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create or do the transformation photo from this one to become this one, guys. And you can also have the another picture with this prompt, and if you feel like not really satisfied about the result or the output, don't worry, because you can click rerun in this section or in this section too, and kindly wait for the another output. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. And you can also let us know if this prompt also worked for you guys. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.